Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome to another episode of Life Beyond the Sale. I've got with us Connie Kautz from Downtown Realty Lux. How are you, Connie?
Very, very good. Thank you so much for having me today.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you for allowing us into your office. It's a beautiful space. So comfortable walking in here.
We like our clients to feel at home.
It really does feel like that. It's absolutely gorgeous in here. When you have time, come by and step in here to have some questions answered, because this is a great space she has going on here. We are here to talk about the October article from the Sun Gazette, and this is all about the Tulare County Association of Realtors and the good work that they do behind the scenes. It's more than just listing a home, selling a home, and then that's it. You're done. Your job is done, and then you move on to the next. Being a realtor yourself, what do you feel that realtors do beyond just selling homes when it comes to helping out in the community?
Well, I think my strongest belief is that, it's not about the transaction, it's about making a connection, because we're bringing people to our community, and I think it's important to be involved in the community so we can sell the community. And if you're not involved in the community, it's hard to sell the community.
Absolutely.
It'd be like recommending a restaurant that you've never been to.
Exactly. So, how could you even recommend something if you're not out there knowing what's going on?
Exactly. And I think it's real important to find what you're passionate about, because that'll take you down a road what you feel like you want to be involved in. And there's so many different opportunities in Visalia. And I think it's important that we allow that connection with our buyers and sellers, that we can connect them to the community, because every time we sell a home, it affects maybe 10 different businesses, from the ballet to the ice cream shop to the soccer shop. So it's really important that we are involved in our community, so we can pass that on to our new people coming into our community.
Absolutely. Now, I know that the realtors get really involved in projects that are benefiting the community. Do you have any that come to mind that stand out? These really great projects that are, benefiting the community here that you guys?
Yes, we just did the Clint Black concert, which we donated to the Hope Horizon Mental Health out of Tulare. And a lot of local agents are involved in their own items that we do. There's collecting backpacks. We have a big project that we collect shoes. And then some of the others are more education for first-time home buyers. So we really stay active, and a lot of agents have their own path that they follow.
I love that. And you guys are also get involved with adopting animals, with helping with find homes.
Yes, we in our office here, a lot of times we'll have adoptions, and which is a great opportunity for us, because unfortunately sometimes when we go to a house, people have left their pets or pets. We have so many people that advocate for that, and they'll just call and say, oh my gosh, we just saw this dog, and then we have a group that we work with that will get that dog or cat, and then we help with the adoptions with that. So it's a really great community outreach.
Yeah, I love that. You guys, if you have any questions about that type of stuff, you can go ahead and give them a call as well. So realtors are not just selling and buying homes for you, helping selling and buying homes. They are involved in the community, helping to make change in our community, and helping those that are helping others.
Exactly. Yeah, we help our community grow, and again, that's so important. We have a lot of agents that are very involved in the city, what's going on in the city. We have agents that are involved in professional standards, risk management. So it's so important that we stay educated so we can protect our buyers and our sellers. So we have education 3 times a year that a lot of our members travel to go be educated and stay on top of what's happening.
I love that. So that's just a part of the difference between your local real estate agent and a realtor.
Right, that is exactly,
Absolutely. So make sure that when you get out there, and if you have questions on buying or selling your home, you are asking the right questions, and you're talking to the right people who are going above and beyond to make a difference in your transaction.
Yeah. We are here to protect the buyers and the sellers. That's our responsibility, and that's our due diligence, to help everybody have a transaction that is safe and comfortable and smooth.
Love that. Yeah. Connie, thank you so much for talking with us. Is there anything that you would like to say out to the community? It doesn't matter what it's about, or any words of inspiration or motivation.
Oh gosh, I would just say reach out. Don't be afraid. Take the step. There's so many great professional realtors out there that live by the code and the code of ethics, and we're here to help you and make home affordability a reality for anyone that can possibly walk down that path.
I love that. Thank you so much, Connie.
You're so welcome.
We'll see you next month.